Good morning, gang. We are back. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, you're looking to make some money in the UK with £0. I am the man, the myth, the legend that is going to help. So for the past, 6 and a bit weeks now, I've just been reselling. So if you can see everything here, I have so much stuff that I've got listed. I've got my board for my photos. I've got stock down here that needs to be listed. I've got stock there that needs to be listed. If you go back on my last few videos, you'll see some of the stuff that I picked up and it's incredible, to be honest. Then I've got my spare room. That box, there's 2 boxes there. That all needs to be listed. This here is all brand new stuff. This all needs to be listed. Like Burberry reworked scarves, Y2K 20-year-old like flares. They're really cool. These are things that I basically picked up for free, and it's PlayStation 2s and like really good stuff. That's actually loads of PlayStation 2 games, SingStar with 2 microphones. So I've got all these boxed up. They're all listed. So if somebody purchases it, I simply just put a little bit more tape on, put the sticker, because I've got a label machine, post it. I was donated all of this. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I am going to list each one, but I just need to go to a shop today, get some more boxes so that they actually fit properly, because I've just got big ones at the minute. And then all of this stuff here is car boot. This is just my stuff, or it's empty. So we are doing quite well. And if you've been following, you'll know where we're up to. If you are new here and you need to make some more money, even as a side hustle, you want to save for a holiday, you want to go traveling, any of that stuff, this is a brilliant way to do it. And if you go back from episode 1 to where I am now, you can see how you can make the money, all the different ways, how to take photos, how to find out the pricing of stuff, where to get stuff from, doing car boots, getting free stuff. There's so many ways you can do it. You just don't be lazy. If you've got a mindset like me and you want to achieve whatever you want for yourself, go in and you will get it done. I actually had my lowest day of sales yesterday in a hell of a long time. I got 3 sales, but it is what it is. I don't really care. I'll be honest with you, the last few days, I'm supposed to list 10 a day, delete and relist 10 a day. Before that, I was always listing 30, adding a few, deleting a relist. So I was getting a lot more orders. But now that I'm staying consistent and I've dropped the amount that I'm doing every day, I have noticed that my sales have been going down. But that's because I haven't been putting as much on. If that makes sense? So that might be another thing I need to change. But again, everything that I find out, I tell you so that you know. And then if you start this from the beginning, you've got all the information anyway. So yeah, gonna do that. I'm gonna go post this. I am ready for the gym. Today is chest, shoulders, triceps. So I'll do that for an hour. Then I'm gonna walk for an hour. Then I'll come home, have my egg whites, for my breakfast. I'll show you today my actual food and why I eat that way, what it does to your body, why I don't have sugar and bread. And then if you're trying to lose weight or bulk or anything else as well, I can give you a few tips. Because a few years ago, I was about 100 kg. I was a big boy. It was mainly because I was a bit of an alcoholic. But last year in Australia, again, if you've been watching, you know this already, I fractured my skull in 2 places because I was a fucking idiot and I fell out of a bunk bed drunk. And it was the worst thing. I had no pain, but I couldn't physically, I just wasn't there. Honestly, for 6 weeks recovering, I was just a mess. But then I couldn't drink because of that. So I stopped drinking. And when I recovered, I didn't need a drink. So I stopped drinking. I went to the gym. I lost loads of weight. And I started actually researching what food does to you whilst it's inside your body. And a lot of people don't know this. And it might sound easy. But for example, you wouldn't even know if you go to the shop and you want to get bread. Bread just turns into sugar. It's just carbs. It does absolutely nothing for you. It's just calories. And it spikes your insulin level inside you. So all it's going to do is an hour later, you're just going to crash. You're going to need more food because you've had sugar. Then you crave more sugar, crave more sugar, crave more carbs, crave more carbs. Whereas if you try and get that out of your system, you have more protein, healthy fats. It's the best thing you can do. And once you get over that hurdle of not necessarily needing the carbs, not necessarily having any sugar anymore. If you can take that out and get your insulin level right, it's the easiest thing you can do by losing weight. You just need to get that bit sorted. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit of that and what I do. So now post, gym, steps, and then I'll come back. So it's a Monday, so I'm gonna weigh myself. 75.8. Now the thing with this is I'm wearing my shoes and I'm holding my phone. I don't usually do that. So let's just say it is 75.80. What we can be at the end of the week, not necessarily need to lose weight because I'm going to be gaining muscle from the gym. Even if it's the same, that's fine, but you just don't want to be gaining weight, if that makes sense. Creatine is the best thing you can have. It's so good for your brain, so good. But basically, you will store more water in your muscles. So if you start weighing yourself at the start and you feel like you're going up, it's water weight, don't worry about it. But it makes you recover quicker, you can push more. It's just very good. Cognitive skills are very good as well. So I've got that first thing. That's the first thing I do. Mix with a little bit of pre-workout. And then, yeah, drive 15 minutes, gym, 1 hour, chest, shoulders, triceps. And then walk for an hour. And then I'll be home. Let's go. I got it wrong. It's chest, back and shoulders day. The other one I said earlier is push day. That's Thursday. I got that wrong. But I'm here now, so go smash this. That's the gym done. I went to the shop, collected loads of boxes so I can package more stuff. Now it's breakfast. Egg whites. Literally protein, low calorie. Cooked in butter, good healthy fats. Forget all that Lurpak. Forget any kind of marge. Just butter. Should just be milk, salt, basically it, or cream. A tea. And we had a roast dinner yesterday. So we've got some chicken left over. So I'm just going to put the chicken in with it. Why the fuck not? Protein. Then I'll go upstairs. I'll start doing some work and I'll get back to you. Right. Catching up with the World Cup. Taking photos so that I can list stuff. I have been looking to see if I can bundle some bits and through into the spare room. With that big box down there, I've now got all of the DVDs in there. It's basically a bundle of 100. That's ready to post and I've listed it online. I've listed all of these David Attenborough things just to see if they do well. And then I sold one of the PlayStations that I showed you earlier, which is brilliant. Got another PlayStation in there and it's packaged. That is all SingStar games with 2 microphones, and when that does sell, it's actually got quite a bit of traction on eBay. I'll just add this one in, they can have that one for free. And then I've got comics in the bottom that just needs to post when it's ready. Yeah, so that's where we're up to. I sold one of those pairs of trousers that I showed you I got the other day. Sold one of those and the PlayStation so far today, that's all. I did have another sale very early this morning. It was a shirt, but I've already posted that. That's when I went this morning. So that's a little bit up to date. So I'm going to do this. I'm hopefully just going to be ahead of myself today. So I'm going to photo 10. I'm going to list the 10. I will delete and relist a few on my Vinted, but some of them are like my North Face and my Columbia fleeces and bits. And sorry, that's more like winter. So I might just leave them. If somebody does buy them, perfect, but I might just leave them and focus on all of this stuff that needs to go sort of summertime. And I probably should start looking into Vinted Pro. Even if I start the process, going on HMRC, making myself a sole trader, at least doing that to start with. And I will be £60 down because I need to pay for that car parking fine, which I'll just get done. Yep. So, little catch up. I've had a few sales today. I've had, I think, 4. The PlayStation, 3 items of clothing. So, and I'm quite happy with that because obviously the PlayStation was basically free. I did pay my mate 50 quid. But when you saw me do the Music Magpie and the World of Books, I got 40 quid back. So let's just say everything from now on is profit. So I've already made my money back in like 2 days since I picked it up. So brilliant. Anything else that sells and when it sells, it's just profit. I've listed my 10 items for the day.
I'm not going to delete and relist anymore for now, as I said, because the majority of all of my old stuff is like winter stuff. And I really want my summer bits to be able to go out, especially my festival stuff, because in 3 months the festivals basically end. So I'm actually quite up to date and I'm happy. I managed to do the gym, I managed to do my steps, I've been eating healthy still. I'm now watching football. I haven't actually watched a whole game of football yet. I've just been working through all of them all the time. Even though it's been on, I've just watched like the goals. Yeah, I've got a couple more bits I'll do today. I still need to actually list all of those DVDs onto eBay. I just realised that. That's the only thing I haven't done. I need to see if CD bundles do well. Just a couple of little bits I could just look at whilst I'm watching this. Yeah, so quite happy with that. What's tomorrow? Tuesday? So tomorrow will be pretty much the same. Early morning, post my sales, gym, steps, eat well, and yeah, keep posting. This is when I wanted to do reselling. I'd seen so many people that were full-time resellers. I'd seen their TikToks and it was like up at 8 in the morning, go to work, print labels until 8:30, package until 8:30, take photos for an hour, list for an hour, and they work until like midday. Then they go post the sales and that's it. They work like 4 hours a day. They're making a lot of money. They've got warehouses, all this sort of stuff, and that really spurred something in my head. Like I knew I could do this from home. I know I'll put the work in, and right now it's kind of that point where I can just do a few hours a day, but I'm slowing down on my sales, and it's because everything's new and I've got vintage and all that sort of stuff, so the price is higher, so it takes longer to get the sales. I don't have all of those little small bits anymore that were like ticking me over each day, where before I could have like 12, 13 orders in a day, but I might have only made like, say, 75 quid, whereas I've sold 4 things today and I've made 75 quid. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm having a little break. Again, I've got another tea addiction. So I'm going to watch this Spain v... Who is it actually? Is it... I don't even... Oh, Cape Verde. Going to watch this game and then, yeah, go from there. I'll come back and talk to you later. See if I can figure something else out. If I work out the CDs and stuff, I'll tell you. And then I'll go through my list and see if I can look at anything else while I've got time. It's nice having a bit of time. I'm gonna chill, give myself a break. Well-deserved break to the Koosh man. I really hope Cape Verde do this. They're actually doing alright. And I'd love Spain to go out. That'd be so good. I forgot to mention, I was saying about food and what it does in your body. My lunch, I had turkey mince with the tiniest bit of rice and sweet corn. It was all just cooked together in like one big pot. I make like 2 kg of turkey or whatever I usually cook, and then it's just ready just to bowl up and eat. It's really low in calories, it's high in protein, there's a little bit of carbs so it gives you energy. As much as I'm saying carbs are sugar, just not for breakfast. Carbs for lunch or dinner is okay, but in proportion, and with rice and pasta it's high in calories, so if you have a little bit it gives you that energy bit that you need, and it doesn't spike your insulin as much as if you had like bread or croissants or something for breakfast. That's just stupid. Same with cereal, don't have that for breakfast either. It's just full of sugar, it's crap for you. I had 2 peaches. My dinner, which I'll have kind of soon, will be another bowl of that turkey stuff. And then I've got that protein yogurt that I showed you, so I'll have that for my dessert with raspberries, maybe a banana if I want to. I do usually try not to have banana because again it's hot. Each one is like 100 calories, whereas you could have like, you know, a whole punnet of raspberries or strawberries and they'd be like 20 calories. You have more fruit, actually tastes nicer, and you can have more, less calories. So that's what I'm having for the day. Drink a lot of water as well, or tea. You can have as many coffees as you want, just don't add sugar. If you want sugar, you can get something called stevia or just sweeteners. I'd advise against it, just, you don't need it, but it is what it is. Alright, let's hope Cape Verde can pull out a shocker here. This would be brilliant news. And yeah, I listed the DVDs. I listed 100 for 30 quid. So we'll see how that goes. I listed those Daily Mail things. I can't remember how much. I think 5 quid. Can't remember. Again, they were free. If they sell, that's the worldy of a sale. What else? And I listed the CDs as a bundle. So if any of those sell and they do well, I'll tell you how much I sold it for, how many there were, and then you'll know yourself that you can do it. And yeah, there we go. What a day.
I know this looks a bit pikey because I couldn't find anything that was clean. That's the sort of meal I'm on about. Yeah, Cape Verde, 0-0 Spain, fucking brilliant. But yeah, I can chill for the rest of the evening now, so there's nothing else for me to talk to you about, to be honest, or talk to my phone. I'm on my own. Again, if you can like this, subscribe, do all those things, leave me a comment, that would really help. And I will see you tomorrow. Basically going to be another of the same day, but if I can work anything else out or if I get more sales and it works, I will let you know. Thanks again for watching.